Hey guys, so today I'm going to be singing a acapella cover of JoJo Jumping Trains. I'm using the song on my phone because I don't have the correct, there isn't a karaoke for it. So I'm just going to go with it and see how it goes. Thank you all for the support. I won't be attempting to do this without you guys. Yeah, and I hope you guys like it. We keep chugging along on the road to nowhere. Nobody's out there. I'm not even here anymore. You're kinda boring me. You got stuck in the comfort zone and it makes me so uncomfortable. And it's not my fault that you're glued to your seat. I'm sorry, our love fell off the track, 'cause you just hold me back. Maybe your heart is just too strange. I can't just be your girl. I need to see the world. If that's something you can arrange, then I'll be jumping trains. Yeah, 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 then I'll be jumping trains. Oh, last time we went out, I remember snowflakes on the ground, but now I look outside on the sunny fields of green. Oh, and I long for the freedom that I once had, with the wind in my hair and my life on track. I need cabin fever, I just need the chance to run around. Yeah, our love fell off the track, 'cause you just hold me back. Baby, your heart is just too strange. I can't just be your guy. I need to see the world. If that's something you can arrange, then I'll be jumping. Mr. Conductor, can you stop this train by now? 'Cause if I stay here with her, my life will just slow down. And a guy like me just needs to be free. I love fell off the track. Now I'm not looking back. Baby, your heart is just too strange. I can't just be a guy. I need to see the world. If that's something you can arrange, then I'll be jumping straight. Oh, I'll be jumping trains, trains. If that's something that you can't arrange, then I'll be jumping trains. So that was my cover of Jumping Trains. I hope you guys liked it, and I'm gonna be uploading a video probably in about 2 days' time. So I will see you guys later.